In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, it's very simple and easy. Get to the Instagram application and open Instagram. And then you click on the profile icon to the bottom right out here. Click on the menu icon to the top out here. And then you get to Accounts Center. And then you scroll down a bit under Account Settings. Click on Personal Details. You get to this page, click on Account Ownership and Control. Here you have two options. Select the second one, Deactivation or Deletion, and select the account you want to delete. Okay, if this is the account, you select that, get a pop-up like this. Now this is a very important screen that you need to go through before you actually do this. Okay, so deactivating your account is temporary, which is mentioned on the screen. It's gonna put your account away for a while. It is not going to go off the servers, or it's not going to get deleted completely. If you deactivate, it is not going to show up online, or it is not going to be accessible online. Okay, but if you select the second option, delete your account, this is going to be permanent. All your data and everything on the Instagram server for your Instagram account is going to get deleted completely. Okay, so if you select the second option, click on continue, follow instructions, and you can delete your account. So once you click on delete and follow the instructions, within 30 days your account is deleted, and it could take up to 90 days for your data to be completely erased off the Instagram servers. After you perform this function within 30 days, if you want to recover your account, you could recover your account, not a problem. But if it crosses 30 days, you may not be able to recover your account anymore. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.